Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix no views on TikTok. Let's go. This is an issue that some of you may be experiencing after uploading a video, where your TikTok videos have no views, so I'll walk you through a couple of situations why that might happen, and that should explain why you don't have any views and get everything resolved for you. First of all, open the TikTok app. Then tap on the plus button, and here I'll just record a short video here. Then hit the check mark. So the first thing you want to do is check who can watch this video. Now make sure it's set to everyone. So if you unknowingly put it in only me, it means that no one can see it. You'll want to change it to everyone. Then post it and then send it to the public. Then you can go to your profile here, and if it still has no views, you need to tap on the 3 lines on the top right here. Then go to Settings and Privacy. And make sure that the private account option is turned off. So if you have a private account and haven't approved any followers, it's possible that no one can see your video. Finally, you can click on your video and share it. You can hit on the small 3 dots here and then share it on any other social media account you have. Then you can ask someone to watch the video and verify that it shows a view. Afterwards, if it doesn't, you can get an error message saying the video is under review, which is the final reason you might be getting 0 views. If the video is still being reviewed and the algorithm feels it contains inappropriate content or anything else like that, they'll take it down until it's finished being reviewed. So there you have it. If you're getting no views, these are the things you should be looking for. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.